Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Right now, I am making calla lily tea sandwiches. They are the cutest thing, and they are delicious. Very simple. It's a no-cook recipe. The only thing you have to do is chop your veggies up very fine. You could also use the vegetable cream cheese you buy in the store, but I like using my own. So, all you do is take your knife when you're chopping, scrape it together, and then hold it down with your hand, and then rock. Rock-a-bye carrots on the treetop. That's it. Scrape it back together. There you go. So this starts with 1 block of cream cheese. Then I put in my carrots, and I have red peppers over here. Put in red peppers, green onion, the white part. And this is, remember how I always say the celery leaves? They have a lot of flavor. So instead of just mixing parsley, I am mixing celery leaves. So I'm just mixing it about. Dum, dum, dum. See how pretty that is? That sure beats the vegetable cream cheese you get in the store, because I don't know about you, but I can't recognize any of the vegetables. This is going to be my filling for the calla lily. This is thin sliced bread. Don't know if you can see it, but it's very, very thin. What I do is I take a 3-inch cutter, put it right in the middle, make sure that I get it all the way around. You have a pretty little circle now. These you can say, you're not supposed to feed the birds or the ducks bread anymore, because then they get lazy and they're looking for an easy meal. Now I take it and I just roll it down so it's nice and even thinner. Now sometimes I can't find this thin bread, so what I'll do is I'll get regular bread and just roll it even more. Now I take the cream cheese and I spread it all the way around. I spread the cream cheese all the way around. There we go. And that's part of my calla lily. Set it right there. Let me show you what I do for the stamen. I cut the flat end of the carrot. Then I cut very thin slices on the side, just like that. Julienne it, very thin. And I like the little edges like that where it's not sharp. And then I just put it in there. And that's my stamen. And then this is my stem. And you fold it and pinch it at the bottom. Now get a whole plate of those. They're gorgeous. They're an easy eat. They're an easy thing to put out. You can make them the night before. You can make a whole plate of these. And then what you do is you take paper towel, no dye, no perfume, white paper towel. You get it airily damp. You wring it out. You cover it. The bread stays soft. It doesn't get stale. Just cover your flowers with that. So you can make it beforehand. You could make different types of tea sandwiches, and that little trick will help on any tea sandwich you make. Just cover it with barely damp paper towel. You don't want them soggy, you just want them moist. Here is my last little flower I've made. It's a little beautiful calla lily. I've made a dozen. You can get about 18 out of this recipe. You can double it very easily, because you're already chopping the carrots and the veggies. It's very easy. So I say this is the best calla lily I have ever eaten. So making your own vegetable cream cheese, you get texture in it, from the little bits of carrot, red pepper, green onion. It's all fresh in your mouth. You don't want to put it in a food processor because it'll make it all juicy and it'll change the color of your cream cheese. This is a dozen flowers your mother could sink her teeth into. Remember, for this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Also, thank you very much for jumping over to YouTube and subscribing for those that have already done it. For those that haven't, what are you waiting on? Then you'll get the notification of all my recipes. Make sure to like, share, subscribe on YouTube and Facebook. And on YouTube, right next to the subscribe button, there's a bell. Ring it. You guys have a great Mother's Day. God bless. Talk to you later. Bye.